Welcome to our video. In this video, we have compiled the best decorative plates for you. Choosing a dinnerware and plates can be stressful, especially since there are so many options on the market. In addition, dinnerware and October dishes can be expensive. If you want to decorate your dining room table or try a new look without making too many financial commitments, you are in the right place. This video contains a list of trendy and unique sets, all of which are under $100. Consider this video as your latest dinnerware and plate inspiration. Number 11. Gibson Casa Estebana Dinnerware Set. The Gibson Casa Estebana set pulls upon warm, earthy colors with a Spanish-inspired design to cozy up your kitchen space. The set includes for dinner plates, dessert plates, cereal bowls, and mugs. For a reasonable price, this dinnerware will add elegance and color to your dinner table. Number 10. ONEMORE Coupe Plate Set. This set contains 6 rustic, hand-decorated large plates. The plates come in an assortment of colors, including green, white, red, yellow, and blue. Each plate has a chestnut brown speckle and a rustic brown edge. This modern, urban look is rising in popularity, and this affordable option will allow you to stay on trend without spending too much. Number 9. Wisenvoy Dinnerware Set. The Wisenvoy Dinnerware Set is a funky, modern take on a classic floral design. With its fun, bold color scheme, this set is perfect for someone looking for unique plates to serve as an accent in their dining room. With its hand-painted design and easily cleanable material, this 12-piece set is fun and affordable. The dinnerware set includes 4 dinner plates, 4 dessert plates, and 4 salad bowls. Number 8. Bone China Dinnerware Set. This set is ideal for someone hoping to achieve an elegant look in their kitchen and dining room. The dinnerware is made of a bone china material, and the textured striping makes the set a bit more unique than a simple white china set. The 20-piece set contains 4 dinner plates, dessert plates, fruit bowls, deep bowls, and mugs. If you're looking for something simple and elegant with a slight twist, this is perfect for you. Number 7. Lain Jade Stoneware Dinnerware. The Lain Jade Stoneware Set, which comes in white, light gray, and taupe, features 4 dinner plates, salad plates, bowls, and mugs. It is casual enough for everyday dinners, while also being contemporary enough to host more upscale events. This versatile set has a fun, speckled design and is made of very durable stoneware. Number 6. Corelle Portofino Round Dinnerware Set. This dinner set draws upon brilliant blue colors and eye-catching designs, bringing the rustic charm of the Italian coast to your dinner table. You'll be able to achieve the coastal Italian aesthetic of your dreams for an affordable price. This 18-piece set contains dinner plates, lunch plates, appetizer plates, and bowls that are resistant to chips and cracks. Number 5. Laurie Gates by Gibson Hand-Painted Tierra Mix and Match Dinnerware Set. The Laurie Gates by Gibson Hand-Painted Tierra Mix and Match Dinnerware Set is a very colorful painted set. Each design is hand-painted before being put in the kiln. The product is also made from all-natural clays, making it very durable. The unique colors and designs are perfect to serve as a pop of color or complement a colorful kitchen space. The set was designed to reflect a wide range of globally inspired ceramic traditions and contains 4 dinner plates, 4 dessert plates, and 4 bowls. Number 4. Sango Siterra Stoneware Dinnerware Set. The Sango Siterra Dinnerware Set is a perfect, classic stoneware set to complement your dining room table. The 16-piece set, containing dinner plates, salad plates, soup bowls, and cereal bowls, comes in white, rustic white, ocean, and multicolor. The dinnerware has a glossy speckle overlay, adding style to any table. Number 3. Elama Round Stoneware Embossed Dinnerware Dish Set. If you're looking for a more colorful dinnerware set option to accent your table, this Elama Round Stoneware Set is a great option. The set comes in 2 colorways, ocean teal green and sea blue with brown trim. These mosaic sets have a unique mandala pattern, created into a unique and contemporary shape. This dinnerware set also comes equipped with 16 pieces, including 4 mugs, bowls, salad plates, and dinner plates. Number 2. Lain Coupe Dinnerware Set. For a sleek dinner plate look, opt for this Lain Coupe Dinnerware Set, containing 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 bowls, and 4 handled mugs. The contents of this set are well worth the price. Not only does this set come in a wide range of colors, from neutrals to fun-colored sets, but its trendy, futuristic design also has an element of rustic elegance, perfect for elevating your dinner table. Number 1. Mora Ceramic Plate and Bowl Set. Colorful ceramic dinnerware sets are all the rage, and this Mora ceramic plate and bowl set allows you to get the trendy, colorful pottery look for a fraction of the price. This particular set comes equipped with 6 plates and 4 bowls, featuring blue, pink, purple, and green. The set is also made with paladin clay, making it more durable and lined with a scratch-resistant glaze to give you the best ceramic dinnerware set for the best price. We tried to present a nice list to you in this video. If you have liked the products in the video, it is recommended to check the current prices of these products. Choose dinnerware and plates that are durable, stylish, and suit your needs and budget. Consider the material, size, shape, style, functionality, and quality before making a purchase. I would be happy if I could help you a little with this product list. Please inform us the same by specifying other models that are important to you in the comments. If you like the video, you can support me by subscribing. And if you don't like it, if you specify the reason for this in the comments, you will make a great contribution to me and my development. Thanks for watching the video and taking the time. Have a nice day.